Hi everybody, this is Sim Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach. Today we'll be talking about your BMW's tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS for short. First we'll review all the tire settings that are the basis of the tire pressure monitoring system, and then we'll review how to perform a system reset in the event that you receive a low pressure notification from the TPMS. To review the car's tire settings, from the iDrive screen we would go Home, and then click on Car, and then Vehicle Status. We're already at the TPMS area, and it does show that the TPMS is active. Let's go further in here, and then click on Tire Settings. This specific car is equipped with summer tires, so there's no need for us to switch it over to winter or all-year tires. It also has 21-inch tires, which is not specified from our list here, so we're going to choose the other tires selection, which is fine. Had we made any changes to any of those settings, we'd have to click on Perform Reset and then drive the car around as required for a few miles to complete that reset. If the tire pressure on at least one of your tires falls below the threshold established by the TPMS, a check control notification will appear on your iDrive screen. Your pressure may be low due to damage or weather and temperature fluctuations. The recommended tire pressure for your tires are posted on a sticker in your driver's side door sill. Upon seeing this notification, it is recommended that you pull over as soon as possible and inspect your tire condition. If you have run-flat tires, you should drive no faster than 50 miles per hour and do so for only a limited amount of time. From the iDrive screen, you can click on Home, Car, Vehicle Status, and Tire Pressure Monitor to see, in fact, the reported low pressure tire. In our case here, it's the rear passenger side is down to 29 psi. If cold season is approaching, you can set your tire pressure between 2 and 3 psi above the posted recommendations to prevent the tire pressure from dropping below the threshold in the cold weather. After we've corrected any tire pressure issues, we'll need to reset the monitoring system. In our case here, you can see that we've corrected the tire back to 39 psi. So from here, we would click on Tire Settings and Perform Reset. And as you see here, it says for the tire pressure reset, we need to actually do a little bit of a drive, 2 to 3 miles, to complete this reset. So let's go ahead and do that now. So we can see that it's letting us know that the reset is successful, and that completes the reset for the tire pressure monitoring system. Keeping your tires properly maintained will ensure that your BMW is performing at its best. If you have any concerns at all about your tire condition, please contact your service advisor here at BMW of Myrtle Beach. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed our presentation.